Would you like another Pringle? You want another? Say Pringle. Say Pringles. Here you go. Sit down. Can I get a Pringle for you? Mmm. Would you like a Pringle? Look up here. Are those good? You eat that pretty good. Would you like another one? Here, sit down. I'll get it for you. Would you like a Pringles? Yes? Say Pringles. Say Pringles. Can you say Pringles? I know, they taste great. I love Pringles too. Here, hold the can. Say Pringles. Say Pringles. Rafi, look here. Rafi, say Pringles. Say Pringles. Rafi, can you say Pringles are the best? Rafi, here, hold the can. Say Pringles. He loves his Pringles. Say, I love my Pringles. Pringles. Good job, Rafi. Let's get some more. They're all gone. Wait, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
All gone.
All gone? Uh-oh, they're all gone.